So, hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, we will learn what is polymorphism in Java. So polymorphism is a key concept in object-oriented programming language, right? So, it comes from the Greek word poly means many and morph means form or shape. So, especially polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of common superclasses, right? So with this ability to invoke the methods that can behave differently based on the project. So we have there are two main types of polymorphism, that is runtime polymorphism and compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. So here compile time polymorphism is nothing but method overloading, and runtime polymorphism means here method overriding. So first we will see what is compile time polymorphism. And so this happens when you define multiple methods with the same name but with different parameters, either in number, type, or both. So this method gets called is determined at compile time based on the method signature. So yeah, runtime polymorphism means nothing but method overriding. So method overriding, this occurs when a subclass provides a specific implementation of a method that is already defined in its superclass. The version of the method that gets called is determined at a runtime based on the object's type, not the reference type. So yeah, that is method overriding. So we'll see simple what definition. So here compile time polymorphism is nothing but overloading. So multiple methods in the same class with the same name but different parameters. So that is a overloading. And overriding means a subclass provides a specific implementation of the method that is already defined in its superclass. So that is a overriding. So we will see program line by line. Before than this, I will tell you one thing: the benefits of polymorphism. So there are two main benefits in polymorphism, so like flexibility and extensibility. So you can write code that works with different objects of different types, reducing the need for duplicated code. And the second one is like you can add new classes and methods without changing existing code that depends on polymorphic behavior. So yeah, polymorphism allows one interface to represent different types and allows different objects to respond the same method call in their own unique ways. So depending on their types. So yeah, that's all about polymorphism in Java. So first we will see what is like overloading program. So yeah, we will see line by line. So here class calculator. So a class calculator is defined here. So this class will contain methods to perform arithmetic operations. That is a addition operation. So here int add of int a int b. So the first version of the add method. This is the first version of the add method, because here we have two methods, add here, add also. So the first version of the add method that takes two integers, that is two integer parameters, that is int a and b, and returns their sum. So return a plus b here. So here int add of int a, int b, int c here. So this is the second version of the add method. Takes three integer parameters a, b, and c. So and returns their sum, that is a plus b plus c. So here public class overloading. This is the main class. This is the main method where the execution starts. So here calculator calc equal to new calculator of. So here an object calc of the calculator class is created. So system.out.println of calc.add of 2 comma 3. So here this line calls the add method of the calculator class with two arguments, that is 2 and 3. Since add of int, right? So here mention int, right? So that matches the number of parameters. This version is called the result is 5 here printed, because 2 plus 3, that is 5, right? So here system.out.println of calc.add of 1 2 3. This is the second method, second version of the add method here. So yeah, this line calls the overloaded add method with three arguments, like 1, 2, and 3. Since the add of int a, int b, int c that matches the number of parameters. So this version is called like here the 6 is printed. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. So we will see the output, save, and run the program. So 5 and 6 here, because here 2 plus 3 5, and here 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, right? So this is a compile time polymorphism. So that is like overloading. And next we will see what is overriding in Java. So this is the overriding method example. This is also a small example. So we will see line by line what is the um, overriding in Java. So here class animal. So this animal class is defined. It will have a method sound. So this is common to all the animals here. So yeah, here in this animal class we have void sound of the sound method. Void sound of method is like sound of method is defined in the animal class, right? So this method is intended to be overridden by subclasses. So here these are the subclasses, and but it provides a generic implementation. In this case, just print some generic sound like that. So here system.out.println of some generic sound. So this is the output for the sound of method in the animal class. So here class dog extends animal. So here the subclass extends animal and override the sound of method here. So here we are using override of. So the override annotation tells the compiler that the sound of method in dog is overriding and one in animal. So this is not strictly required, but it is a good practice. So void sound of. So the sound of method in dog overridden to print bark sound, which is specific to the dog class. So here system.out.println of bark. So when the sound of method of the dog class is called, it prints bark. At the same way, here cat also. Here we are using override sound of method. Here cat sound is like meow. The same like dog, like dogs class. So this is that, and this is the main method, public class overriding. So this is the main class where the program execution start. So here animal my animal equal to new animal of. So an animal object my animal is created, and its sound of method will print some generic sound here. So like before, some generic sound like that. So here animal my dog equal to new dog of. Uh, so an object my dog is created as animal, and but it actually prints to the dog object. The sound of method that gets called is the one in the dog class due to the runtime polymorphism. So here same like a dog, here also cat, like animal my cat equal to new cat of. So this is also same. It will print the cat class. The sound of method called is that one in the cat class. So my animal dot sound of here. So the sound of method is called as my animal, which is an instance of the animal class. So it prints some generic sound. So here my dog dot sound of, my cat dot sound of, same. So yeah, this is the program. We will save that one and we will run the program. What's the output? Some generic sound, bark, meow. Yeah, like that. Thank you.